How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, we will see how we can add contacts on WhatsApp web. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, get into WhatsApp web in your laptop. Now, if you want to add a contact, what you can do is you have to add an extension that is InTouch app. In order to add extension, navigate to top right and there is this extension icon, click on it. Go to manage extension and here navigate to your left hand side and go to Chrome Web Store. Here search for an extension that is InTouch app. Click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add extension. Now once you have added the extension, go back to WhatsApp web and refresh this page once again. After that, now in your mobile device, you have to install this same application that is InTouch app. So install it from Google Play Store. And then you have to log into your account. Once you're logged into your application, or in your mobile device, now you have to click on this plus icon and then click on add new contact. And then you will be able to add contacts in WhatsApp web. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.